Hello children, I am Rupesh Chaudhary. What is this? Yes, it is a pen stand. Can you guess from what it is made up of? Yes, it is made up of waste plastic bottle. Do you know if we use the waste material creatively, we can get many useful items. Dear children, now I am going to tell you a story how waste material turn into wonderful item. Are you ready children? Once there was a king in Travancore. Do you know where is Travancore? Yes, it is in Kerala. Now Travancore is called as Thiruvananthapuram. It is the capital of Kerala. One day, some guests from the different places stayed in the king's palace. The king wanted to give the guests a grand dinner. So the king ordered his cook to prepare delicious food items for dinner. King, I have planned to arrange grand feast for our new guests. Prepare delicious and traditional food for the dinner. Cook, yes, your highness. Children, do you know what is traditional feast means? Yes, traditional feast means a hearty meal and grand meal for any special occasion. When do you prepare grand meal, dear student? Yes, during marriages, festivals like Diwali, Christmas and Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Same way, the king wanted to prepare a grand feast in his palace. The cook went to the kitchen. He took some vegetables. He took some carrots, onions, tomatoes, beans, chilies, garlic, and curry leaves. The cook peeled all the vegetables and he prepared various kinds of delicious dishes for the feast. He kept the vegetables scraps aside. Dear children, have you ever noticed the vegetable scraps in your house? Vegetable scraps are the big pieces of vegetable that all peel from the vegetables. The king visited the kitchen to survey the dishes in the afternoon before the dinner. Children, can you guess what the meaning of survey is? Yes, to look closely or examine. King, have you prepared all the dishes for the feast? Cook, yes, Maharaj. King, what are those vegetables? Cook, they are vegetable scrap, Maharaj. King, what are going to those vegetable scraps? Cook, they are waste. We will throw them away. King, no, no, you cannot waste vegetable scraps. Make you soft those vegetables in your useful way. Cook, yes, your highness. The cook was in a fix, like a puzzle. Who could not escape from the hard situation? He was simply staring at the vegetable scraps for some time and thinking to prepare a new dish. The cook was thinking and thinking and thinking. Cook, what can I prepare using these vegetable scraps? Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Flash across the mind means suddenly think of an idea. Similarly, the cook got an idea. Cook. Yeah, I got an idea. Let me prepare a new dish. The cook washed all the vegetable scraps and he cut them into long strips. He put the vegetable strips in a big pot and placed it on fire to cook. The cook took coconut, chilies, garlic. He ground them together and he added the paste in the pot. Then he took some curd, salt and whipped it and added. Tempting smell came from the pot. The cook added a spoonful of coconut oil. At last, he decorated the dish with curry beans. The dish became ready. The cook was so surprised by the dish. He said in surprise, "Cook, lo and behold, now the new dish is ready." At palace, the food items were arranged for the guest at the grand feast. There was a tempting smell from the new dish. The cook served this new dish to the guest, and cook was eagerly waiting for the comment on the new dish. Guest: wow, it is delicious. What is the name of this new dish? The cook thought for a while and suddenly said avial, since it came from the waste vegetable scraps. Everyone in the palace appreciates for their food avial. Okay children, can you tell the ingredients that are used to make the delicious dish avial? Yes, very good. Vegetable bits, coconut, chilies, garlic, curry leaves, curd, coconut oil, salt. Avial became famous all over Kerala and now it is one of the traditional food in Kerala. Dear children, what are the traditional food items we prepared in Tamil Nadu? Yes, sambar, vadai, paisam, appalam, buttermilk. So dear children, what do you learn from this story? Yes, we should not waste anything. We should make useful things from waste materials. Now let's see the word meaning. In a fix, a situation hard to escape from. Flash across the mind. Suddenly think of. Lo and behold. Look, what a surprise. Traditional feast. Hearty meal. For many guests served on special occasion. Children, can you answer the questions? What were the preparations in the palace for? Yes, very good. There were the preparations for grand dinner in the palace. Children, can you answer? Why did the Maharaja go to the kitchen in the afternoon? Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? Yes, the cook planned to prepare a new dish with the help of vegetable scraps. Children, can you tell the ingredients that are used to make the delicious dish avial? Yeah, Very good. Vegetable beets, chilies, coconut, garlic, curd, curry leaves and coconut oil and also salt.